Shagufa Ramin, $1,000 Bridges Foundation Scholarship. Shagufa Ramin came to BAVTS as a fast-track student who wanted to explore all the trades as well as have a hands-on experience in healthcare. She knew she was interested in the field and felt this was the best place to commit to the industry.
The hardest and most fun task for me was the blood drive, taking care of it, scheduling the appointments for everyone, running to the classrooms, and making sure everyone was on time to their appointment to give blood.
Shagufa is very active at both homeschool and BAVTS. She is a member of the National Technical Honor Society, an honor roll student with a GPA of 3.67, and she has compiled over 140 hours of community service.
I'm very much proud of her. She is the daughter that I always wished to have. She is like a diamond to me, and she works very hard for everything.
Shagufa would like to thank her aunt, Shagufa Ramin, who has always supported her in bettering herself in school, as well as Mrs. Blazinski, who she feels has acted as her second mother to her.
She's incredibly intelligent, and she has a really great work ethic, and she just doesn't give up on things until she gets where she needs to go.
Shagufa is headed to Penn State Lehigh Valley, majoring in biology. Shagufa Ramin is awarded a $1,000 Bridges Foundation Scholarship.